Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is China. If you are new and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back. So I just wanted to do an unboxing with you guys and put this wig on that Alipearl have sent to me. So I want you guys to watch me put it on, and it's so cute and it's so affordable and I love it. It's 22 inches. It's such a beautiful wig. So if you guys want to watch me put this wig on, everything will be linked down below. Make sure you guys check them out, and thank you Alipearl so much for sponsoring today's video. So yeah, I have not had long hair in a very long time, so like look at the curls, waves, but I feel so pretty. Y'all know I love me a good wig. So yeah, if you guys want to watch me put this wig on, then keep on watching. Hello you guys, I'm back. So I want to put this wig on. I know I look crazy, but I'm not a professional. But I wanted to go ahead and put this wig on. I have like all of my supplies right here. I want to do an unboxing and show you guys how I put my wigs on. Okay, so the hair is from Alipearl and it's a deep wave. I have not opened up the box or anything yet, so I want to open it up with you guys. I know I look crazy, but I'm gonna get cute because it's date night. So this is how it came in, and it's from Alipearl 100 unprocessed human hair. So this is how this looks. So, okay, it comes with a lot of stuff. Okay, it came with the band. I've been needing this band and the wig cap. If I would have known, I would never put this one on, which I still got the whole process to do. But so it comes with a wig cap. And then it also comes with a band, a Alipearl edge melting band. So I needed this, y'all. Y'all know that. And it actually has like the thing, so you can attach it to like your hair. Oh my God, I needed this. This is so crazy. It also comes with a edge brush. Needed this as well. And then what is this? I believe this is a scarf. Okay, so this is like a scarf. It's one of the scarves. After you put the melt band on, then you can put it like that to make sure the edges and stuff is laid and the lace is laid. But it comes with lashes. They're pretty long, so I might give these to like AJ. This is 22 inches lace front wig. The cap size is a small and the hair density is 180. Oh, I'm gonna be cute, y'all. This in a while. Look at this. So it comes with, y'all, I'm so excited to put this on. So here's how this looks. Okay, so let's get this wig on. First thing I need to do is actually get the wig on. So the first thing that I'm going to do is start off with some glue, some lace glue. I'm using my phone mirror because my mirror is over there, but so I just put glue there for the first layer, and then the next thing I will do is blow dry this down a little bit, and then I'll put another layer, and then I'll put the wig on and all of that good stuff. Okay, so I changed my robe because I spilled some oil on it. So I did the glue 2 times, and then I'm gonna put a little bit more glue on, but I'm gonna like put the wig, start putting the wig on. One thing that I have learned is to make sure that the glue is like kind of dry before I throw my wig on, or it'll look like white. Okay, so this is how the wig looks. This is how the wig looks. It has 3 combs. I love the combs. And then it also have these things, which I love, the adjustable bands. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust it to my liking. I'm putting it on my head how I want it on. Like y'all see. Okay, so and then I'm just gonna put my band on. Y'all, this band is a lifesaver. This band is a lifesaver. Okay, so I'm about to do my makeup really quick and let my camera charge, and then I will be right back. By the time then, this band should be, you know, it should be down, and then we can cut the lace and style it and all of that good stuff. So I'll be right back. I went ahead and put a little bit of makeup on and charged my camera. So I went ahead and put a little bit of makeup on. So the glue should be dry by now. So I'm just going to take this off. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I see a little bit of the glue. It's probably like a little bit still wet, but it'll be fine. I don't even know how I want to wear this hair. It already came with like baby hairs. So I think I want to wear it like, I gotta see how I want to wear it. But I still have to cut like more of the lace, but I'm trying to see how I want to wear it. Maybe something like this. And I'm gonna like put some mousse stuff in it. But this hair is like super cute. Okay, so let me go cut this lace really quick with my razor because I cannot see. And I will be right back. Okay, so I am in the bathroom. Let me show y'all how it looks so far. So I'm just about to cut like the lace and probably like make a little baby hair and probably like some water and mousse or something in it to like bring it down. But I'm gonna cut like a little bit of the lace off. Well, the rest of the lace in. Y'all know I ain't no hairstyle. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little water in it. It feels super good. Like, I don't think y'all understand how soft it feels. And then I'm just gonna put a little Cantu leave-in conditioner inside of it. Just this part, because you really don't need it at like the bottom part. So like, the hair is super beautiful. I'm gonna have to show y'all in the car or something, because my lighting is not giving. Like, it's super cute. Y'all see what I mean? How I like it, like, to be a little up. Like, see what I mean? It looks super cute, and like, it could be mine. So yeah, I hope you guys love this wig, because I love it and I cannot wait to wear it. I'm about to get dressed. So everything will be linked down below. Thank you so much, Alipearl, for sending me this wig. Quality is bomb, everything is bomb. Like, look at that, y'all. So after I get dressed and everything, I will show you guys how I am looking.